Hey everybody, it is Quicken and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our hair at home, and I feel like it is my responsibility to tell you everything's going okay. Now that doing your hair has become a mental illness meme, everything's good at home. I just wanted to dye my hair in a positive way and not in a crisis way. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So a little bit of background. I have been growing my hair out for the last year, and I know I am due for a haircut soon or a while ago. So I kind of thought I would do something a little more interesting with my hair before I get it cut. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair orange, but just the tips of my hair. I do like my natural hair color that I've been doing, but I just can't stop thinking about how much I'm into the color orange. So who knew after all these years that orange was my color? I think it's not a lot of people's favorite color, so I've never really explored it. So today I want to mix a really specific, I have a vision of this orange that I want, just to go on the blonde parts of my hair. So my hair was blonde, you guys might remember, all the way up to my root, and then my bangs were brown. I was doing a very Taylor Swift thing. And I have let all of that grow out, and this is my natural. And then down here, I have been toning my blonde with just some Guy Tang beige, kind of blonde beige. It rinses out, I tone it back, and that's kind of the color it is now. But underneath this beige color is that Taylor Swift blonde that I was doing. Hang out with me. We're going to be doing some subtle grungy fashion color. It's kind of in my head, but I think we're going to figure it out. I hope this lighting is okay. I want to show off my room, but it's also been raining in my neck of the woods for days. But I only lost my power once, so there's that. So I'm going to be using Arctic Fox, and they sent me these colors, which is really nice of them. Not sponsored. They reach out to me from time to time, and they're like, do you need anything? And usually I'm like, nah, but this time I was like, yeah. I just told them orange. I was like, I'm probably gonna dye my hair orange. So they sent me kind of a little cavalry of ways to approach orange. They sent me Cosmic Sunshine, Sunset Orange, Porange, and then their Mystic Diluter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with Porange and the Mystic Arctic Mist Diluter. And what that is going to do is these colors are really, really strong, really vivid. And if you want pastel, they have this Pastelifier. I have only used Arctic Fox one other time when I was doing chocolate strawberry for Valentine's Day. Very cute. I don't know why I never tried them for the longest time, but I heard somebody say they've never tried it because they don't like the design on the bottle. So I'm just going to put a little dab in there in my bowl. Next, I have the Arctic Mist Diluter. So I'm interested to see how this works. This is a bit lighter than I think my hair will actually take. So I'm going to put a little more Porange in there. If anything, maybe I didn't need the Mystic Diluter, because I feel like Porange was kind of already the color I wanted. I think it has to be a little darker to show up on my hair, so I'm just going to add a little bit more Sunset Orange. So my strategy for this is to paint the bottom of my hair pretty thick and then brush it up. Okay, now I'm moving on to my next section. Then I have just like product on my fingers. I'm kind of just like, just helping it blend. You can see it's already processing pretty quickly. Okay, so it is developing, the color is developing, and I will say I didn't expect it to be this deep, but I'm like pleasantly surprised. With some fashion colors, like what's in the bowl is what transfers to your hair, so this is a little deeper. I am just doing a little swatch test. I'm using the towel to wipe all of the color off, and then just seeing what it looks like. Right now it almost looks like a natural redhead. So I am going to let this cook on here for 25 minutes. Let's see what the directions say. So it says 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I am going to just put the rest of this over my entire head, but only for like 4 minutes, and then rinse. So I'll check back in with you in 30. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna check to see how it's processed. So it's kind of processed like a natural redhead. So I am going to put the rest on my hair right now, like as much as I can. There's not much in here. And then I'm going to try and like light up my ends, I guess, with a little bit of yellow. Maybe make them a touch more artificial looking, and then see where this goes. So here is this little bit darker orange that I'm going to be hitting just the bottom of my hair with. I think I should make it a little darker. Just using Sunset Orange to just make it a little darker, like what I still had in the bowl a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to rinse out and I will blow dry and then come back to you. Unless there's any problems, then I'll be back with the problem. I'm gonna look just like you. Like you! I know right now I look like boy in a band, but I'm going to continue to get ready until I'm all the way done. And so far I'm like into it. So I'm gonna use this Goddess palette from Alter Ego. And I just wanna do like 1 or 2 things. We're going to Taco Tuesday, so it's not like it's a huge deal.
I didn't think it was gonna, like, I didn't know what to expect, but that was not what I expected. That's sick.
But it is, I'm getting out of the house. So I like the colors in here. So I'm just gonna grab like 2 things. Okay, that's my eye look. Super simple. Then I'm gonna use this NYX lip oil. I love this. I love it so much. It's so good. Now, it's not over yet. And no big deal, this is my finished look. So this is my finished look. I really like the way it came out. It came out way more like rock and roll than like pastel subtle, but I actually really like it. You can see the like dark to light, but I actually really like the effect. I think it's really cool. I think it's like very like flames emoji, and I really, really like it. I'm hoping that it's reading orange on camera and not red. This is orange, so hopefully that is looking orange in the camera. But oh, I really, really, really like it. I mean, I like my hair really big, so before I added the hairspray, you could kind of see just what it looked like. But I'm ready to go out. This is my outfit, and I am... So let me know what you guys think, if you like it. If you're wondering why in the end I dumped the whole thing on my hair, I think it just added a little bit of shine with like super, super minimum deposit, like just a hint of deposit, but I still think it gave like my whole hair life, which I think looks really cute. I look like summer camp, but like it wasn't an accident, like it was on purpose, like still cool. And I really like how it looks up. Hi. So this has been my video on trying Arctic Fox. Please leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. And if you like videos like this, definitely let me know. I love getting ready when I do. Anyway, I love you guys so, 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 so much. And until next time. Okay, if you stayed until the end of the video, I want to make a band t-shirt collection video. Let me know what you think about that by giving me a thumbs up. And